What up? It's your boy Snow. Said before I was doing a remix to Rex by YC. It's not really about racks, it's more about hoes, you know what I'm saying? I got hoes on hoes on hoes instead of racks on racks on racks. So it kind of fit together. Sorry, I really need a fucking cigarette. Um, it's just basically about hoes always blowing up my phone, so Mark, it's a shout out to you, dog. You first one that heard it. Hoes on hoes on hoes. Hoes on hoes on hoes. Got hoes on hoes on hoes. Yeah, we got hoes on hoes on hoes. Hoes on hoes on hoes. Got hoes all on my phone. They blowing up my shit. They always about that biz. Like, baby, can I get that dick? Man, I'm like, hold up. Man, you gotta slow up. Gotta slow the fuck. So slow your roll. All the hoes on hoes on hoes. Hoes on hoes on hoes. Hoes on hoes on hoes. Got hoes on hoes on hoes. Yeah, I got hoes on hoes on hoes. Hoes on hoes on hoes. Yeah, take it. Got hoes all on my phone. They all up in my zone. Talking about driving foreign cars, so you know they on they roll. I'm never gonna stop. Got hoes all on my dick. They like, baby, can I suck? I'm like, gonna get your biz. Talking like Cat Williams. Gonna do your job, bitch. You working on the corner. Go and slap up on that knob. Trying to make a couple dollars. Trying to throw that fucking change. When I start selling crack, I'ma have big rims up on the range. Better check it out. Yes, that chopper got a lot of range. Hit you so, bitch, like I kinda got that auto aim. Never gonna stop because the paint just like the fame. I got so many hoes that like color changing paint. Hoes on hoes on hoes. But yeah, that's a little demo.